Hey guys, Sean Rhodes here. I'm in East Windsor, New Jersey with Cristian. Cristian, say hi.
Hey, hi.
Cristian, talk to me a little bit about why you went solar.
Why I went solar? I went solar because the incentive New Jersey has incentive to the people who is going in solar, and I feel it's great. You make the investment, I get a good investment. In a couple of years, I'm gonna be paid full, and then I have the 25 years free energy. For me, it's one of the best deals.
That makes total sense. Talk to me about the day that they came and put your panels up. Talk to me about the what went on, and was it a noise disturbance or anything like that? Just talking about that day.
Okay, the day they came out and installed the panels, they came around 8 o'clock sharp, and they went to around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and they didn't make the connection on that day, but they set it up, and it was two persons. They set it up, and the installer was great.
Awesome.